Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Talent Forever. I hope you all are fine. So today I am going to show you an science experiment with water. It is based on reflection of light. So let's get started. So friends, the material required for this experiment are a glass beaker. If you don't have a beaker, no need to worry, you can use any glass container. Some pieces of paper, a marker or a pen. So let's proceed further. First step is to draw any image in a piece of paper. So let's start. I am drawing an arrow. Here I am going to make an arrow. You can make any image if Now my arrow is done. Now we will proceed to our next step. Now I thought of making something more in the second piece, but here I will not draw anything. I will write some letters. I will just bold it a little. Can you read it? I don't think so. So let's wait for the magic to reveal this word. So now we will take our image and we will put it in the same line of the beaker. Here. But you can see that my arrow is in the left side. Remember it. From the beaker, you can see that my arrow is in the same direction as I drawed it. Now I will add water in the beaker and let's see what will happen. Wow, the arrow is reversed. Now let's try with our second piece of paper. The magic words. Let's see what this becomes. Wow, it becomes stop. So I wrote the word stop. Isn't this amazing? Now let me show you it once again. So this is an arrow. It is in the left direction. As I put it here, it becomes in the right direction. Our next was some magical letters. As I put it here, it reveals to be the word stop. So you will be wondering, how could it happen? Let me tell you. Here refraction of light has happened. The light first passed from the front side of the beaker, then to the water, then to the back side of the beaker, then to the air, and at last to the paper with the image. Because of the refraction of light, the image appeared as it is reversed. So friends, this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to watch my next video, which is coming very soon. In that, I will show you another water experiment. And also don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.